How to delete all widgets on iPhone. To get started, first of all press and hold a blank area until your apps start to jiggle. Widgets are small app extensions that display live information right on your home screen. Now, tap the minus icon in the top left corner of the widget you want to remove. As you can see, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap on Remove to delete the widget. Removing a widget will not delete the app or any of its data. Repeat this process for any other widgets you wish to remove. Simply tap the minus icon and then confirm by tapping Remove. Once you have removed all the widgets, tap Done at the top right corner. This will save your changes and exit jiggle mode. Following these steps, you can easily delete all widgets on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.